Hello everyone and welcome to another video of learning the alphabets, the cursive writing of the lower letters. So in today's video, we're going to learn about the same upper loop letters. Okay, so we learned the letter C where we make full loops, and we also learned the letter B. Again, we make the complete big loop. But in today's class, we're going to start with a letter that has half upper loop. So here's a letter. We're going to make a half loop and then like this. That's the letter H. So imagine if I write the letter H with a full loop. That's disturbing. I hate this line. So the letter H, where you cut exactly the place where the middle zone starts. Okay, half loop. Bring it down and then like this, the letter H. So it's okay to have a big space here. So when you write fast, it looks really good. For instance, when you're writing it in a ruled sheet, see, that's absolutely fine. But when you write it like this, your focus goes up here. There's no balance between these letters. So this one should be balanced with the middle zone. Okay, so let's practice the letter half. And then that's how you need to practice. So if you want, you can practice the half loop first. So we haven't practiced the half loop in our practice session, the patterns, because only few letters use this. Half. Okay, and then retrace it up. So the letter like this, retrace it, and then like this. That's how you write the letter H. So this is a really beautiful letter. Okay, and also there is a small issue while doing this letter. Can you see how parallel these are? These two lines are. People struggle while doing that. To get it right, you need to do it like this. Can you see this design? It goes backward. Always remember, whenever a line that goes up, you need to make sure the line that comes down should be parallel to it. Okay, so this is the reason why I was asking you to practice these strokes up and down, like this. Okay, now the letter H, up, and can you see how it goes back to make a little curve down there? It makes it beautiful, this curve. Do not make any sharp angles anywhere. Let's practice this again. Let me clear the board. Okay, let's start with the letter H. Half loop to the baseline, retrace it up and bring it back with a small curve at the bottom. That's the letter H. Let's practice the other letters. L, B with a full loop, and then H with a half loop. Okay, always remember to touch the lines. Do not go over the lines. Even a little makes it look weird. Okay, so when you're doing see, this practice session is completely different from your regular writing. So when you practice to write in this manner, when you write it normally, your H looks like this. See, sometimes it may go up higher, but that's okay. You know how to make the loop and also the height. You know to balance it. You will learn to balance it when you practice H in this manner. So continue listening to all my videos on how to write each alphabet with proper balance and legibility. So following these letters will make your letters look legible. Now, this time, be conscious of writing the letter H in anything that you write. Okay, so keep practicing. We'll see you tomorrow again with another video. Bye bye.